right, we're going to get started straight away. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. All right. Let's get started. Hello and how are you? My name is Muhindo and welcome you to our 23rd lecture of creating a complete hotel management system. So let's go straight into our today's business. In the previous lecture, we stopped at the level where we could post a service and then we displayed on the front page like this. So I'm going to display these remaining things and also give ability to click on viewing the details, and we show you the details of the service. All right, so let's begin completing all these. So what we're going to do, we're going to add there more services so it can mimic our template. You know, I shared with you the template, and our main motive here is to give this template real life, or to give it life. So I'm going to add these more 3 services so it can look like this. All right, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do what? I'm going to simply come to our admin dashboard. So I believe everyone can reach there, and we're going to create another service. We're going to call it what? We're going to call it drinks included. So I'll just simply come here and say drinks included, like this, and then we're going to give it the category. We're going to put in the category of service, and then we can put here just some category. Of course, here this we are not displaying it in the service. However, you can change it to anything that you want. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to save this as drinks included. So let me go ahead and put it here and put here some drinks included, and then you can put here any title, any detail that you want. And then we're going to just copy some lorem ipsum words and put them in the first meta. However, remember here you can put anything that you want that is relevant to your restaurant. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this. So I'm trying to make a dynamic home page. Okay, I'm trying to make a dynamic home page and put this one here. Okay, so let me go ahead and submit. So if I submit, you'll see that this post has been added here. It is this one here. All right, so if I come to our database, so if I come to our home page and refresh, okay, this is our home page and refresh, we should be able to see these two different posts. Okay, be able to see, I think, why are we seeing only one? Let me refresh. We're able to see only one. Maybe we did not change the photo, but I think I see the title has changed. So let's change the photo as well. So I'll come here and save this drinks included photo. All right, save it there. I come here and modify. Remember, we have ability to modify. So it's a service, and okay, so I think we have not displayed the photo. That's the problem. We are still having the static photo there. So let's go ahead and display the what? We display the photo. Okay, so to display the photo, the dynamic photo, so we shall see how we display the photo. The other one on top here, so it's just simply put like this. All right, okay, so let me come here, change this one. So it's going to be uploads stroke item, so it's going to put here service, and then we're going to put here what? We're going to put here photo. That's where it is, stroke photo, like this. All right, so by doing like that, we should be able to have our photo, our dynamic photo displaying there. So if I come and refresh, so having here two different photos displaying. All right, so there we had meta 1, meta 2. So let's go ahead and put those metas there. I don't know whether we should just put an HTML tag as it is here, or we should just put the plain text. However, yeah, plain text. So let's go ahead and put there our meta. So we have our meta 1, meta 2, meta 3. Remember, we had those things. So let's see how it saved them here. We have meta 1, meta 2, meta 3, and let's go and meta 4. So let's go ahead and add it here. Let's first see if we can put the whole tag, how it look like. So I'll come here and remove this up to the icon level and put PHP, and then put here service, put here meta 1, and then come and refresh. Thank you. Come and refresh here. So undefined variable, service, like this. First come and change one of these ones, then I'll come for it at once. I'll come to the admin panel. Let me try to edit this and make one of these meta to have this kind of content. Save. All right, so let's come back and see what is causing this error. So this is the service. Sorry, I'm putting an underscore. That's the problem. All right, let's come and refresh now. Sorry, this one here. Refresh. Yeah, there we go. Though we don't have that icon. So let's try to put meta 2, meta 3, and meta 4. Meta 2, 3, and 4. Come and refresh. So I'll see. Think on this one our icon has come. All right. Is there anywhere where the icon came? I think no. All right. Let me try to get this and save them with an icon. So I'll come here and on our service. On the service. And let me loop them with an icon, so we don't need to worry about it. So let's put here. Okay. So I save. Come and refresh. Yep. So we have that. Okay. Okay, so we have meta 1, meta 2, meta 3 being displayed there. So it means that now we can be able to modify. No, this is not the right one. I think this is the right one. I'm refreshing a wrong page. Yeah, this is the page. So we have that, right? We have that. So yeah, that is beautiful so far. Let me remove this on top here because it's so dynamic. It's kind of static. Or maybe you can be putting there. Let's see if we have a price section there. Alright, you can remove this. Or you can put there some kind of description. Sorry, I'm refreshing the wrong page. So everything is fine. Okay, so let's try to see if we put this one in description or in category and see what will happen. So I come here and edit this, put it here in the category or in post description and save. Come and edit, it is in post description, save. So let's try to put here what is in post description. Did you call it description just? Alright, so come and refresh. Yep, so it has come as an HTML. So let me remove this guy. So if I come and refresh here, so the post description has come there as an HTML. Alright, so if I want to change the other one, can come and copy that and then come to this other post. I think it's this one. Change this one. No, sorry, this is this one, I think, and change its post description to maybe 15, and then save. If I come and refresh, yeah, it's now fine. All right, so we still have here static data. We shall do the edit logic where someone will be able to change everything there. All right, where someone will be able to change, or the system user will be able to change, system admin will be able to change everything on the home page. For now, let's focus on this dynamic content. All right, so let's add more to slides. So I'll come here and say new service. Let's see, here we have this one, breakfast. So let's get it. So come here and put here breakfasts. First put the description, make it $10. Put here breakfast. Okay, so it's going to be in services. Put here some categories. Come and put here the photo that we just downloaded from our template, and come and put here maybe some details. Okay, just get here some remip, whoever can put some relevant words there. Alright, so submit. Now if you come and refresh here, now you can see we have the breakfast with relevant content there. Alright, so let's finalize with what? With safe and security. safe and secure. Put relevant photo. These are gallery photos, you can leave them for now. Alright, so put that one there, put one there, put one there. Alright, submit. Come and refresh. Everything is what? It's beautiful. So yeah, so all right, that is so nice. That is so nice. Maybe safe and secure. I've also put our simple HTML there. Our so everything is fine. Alright, so let's proceed to this video. Also, this video shall make it dynamic, where the user will be adding it there by themselves. So we come to facility. So facility, we can also make it dynamic right now. We can add them as our post. I believe we have a type called facility. Yeah, facility post. So we're going to add this. A user should be able to add these facilities dynamically by themselves. Right. So let's go ahead and start facing the facility part. So come here and change pick up and drop. The type is a facility post. All right, let's go ahead and check. So got a description, put it here. So let's go ahead and check the photo. It's an image. So I'll come and search this in my text. So it is here. So an icon, so this is span, flat icon world. All right, so flat icon, so use here flat icons. All right, all of it, or I can use it the way it is there. So let me just get this flat icon as it is there and we paste it. All right, so we have here flat icon. I hope we are on the right thing. Let me first search properly. Our facility. So this is a flat icon. So I want to see what is in the bottom here. Facility shape, flat icon world. All right, let's first get this one. Okay. Okay, so let me put this one as a description. All right, so let's submit this. So there we go. So we are going to search them. So I'll come here on top and put here facilities. Everything's going to be fine. Only here I'll just put type facility. Okay. Let's see if there is any. Let's check out. So you see this one has come. All right, so we're going to present them, sorry. So I'll come here and just comment here and put my temporary content there. So I'm going to look, come here to row and do some for each. So you see, a facility post, looping through them. So it's an item just like the way it is here, and then animation as how it is here, and then the photo. So you're not going to put the photo, else you're going to put the icon as it is here. What is the icon? The icon, you put it in the description, right? Put it in the description. So this is what I think we shall put here. Comment, I don't need it now. Comment, I don't need it now. Now let me add the rest. Let me remove this one because it's already been added. So I can put here parking space. So put parking space and then call it a facility, and then come and get the what? Come and get the icon from here. Make it our first description, and then get the details. And parking space here. Okay, so everything is fine. Let me submit. Everything is okay. This is the one, parking space. So if I come and refresh, our parking space is there. All right, let's conclude with the room service and swimming pool. So let me remove this parking space. We don't need it. It's now coming through the loop. So let's go ahead and put room service and swimming pool. So let me do it right now in just 2 minutes. Create new. Sorry, this one I put it here. So go ahead and get room service. Make it title here, and we get the details. All right. Okay, so submit. So that should be okay. Let's do swimming pool. Refresh here. Room service should be okay. Room service does come as room service. Did you save it anyway? Room service is there. Maybe that type is supposed to be facility. All right, now it should be fine. Room service is there as facility. Let's do swimming pool. So I'll come here and create new swimming pool. make it facility post and get the detail of it, and then you put here its icon here, and then submit. You remove it from the list. Remaining two, fiber internet, create new. With your fiber internet, the facility post, you get its icon, get its detail and put it there, get its icon and we put it here. Yep, and then submit. I'll come and remove this by internet from there. Alright, so single facility, sorry, this is breakfast, so let's go ahead and put breakfast. It's a facility post, and then come and get its icon and put it there, and then we get its detail and put it here, and it's breakfast. Let me remove this one because I no longer need it. Alright, so if I save, let me submit this. So all of these are facilities. Now let's go ahead and refresh. So all our facilities have been listed. You see, everything is so beautiful. Everything is beautiful and dynamic. Okay. So let's work with testimonials. Okay, let's work with what? With testimonials, right? So what clients say, so shall be getting the name of a person, their category, their photo, and their details. Let's jump to that straight away. So these are testimonials, mean that we're going to look through them as well. So there are testimonials, what clients say. So this is a loop. Now a loop starts from here, so this is a single item of a loop. All right, so let's get this name of a person to be the post type. So create new here, name of a person to be the post title. We're going to call it testimony. Do you have a testimony? News, slider, post, service, facility post, review. We call it review. Yeah, we call them testimonials, but you can't call it review. All right, so we come and get that's the name of a person. We've got it. The name of a person. We get their category to be guest review, and then go ahead and get the photo of this person.
Line in.
The photo of the person. I save it. Then go ahead and put it here. Okay. And then we get their content. Okay, and put it here as description. Maybe as also details. So what is dynamic here? What is dynamic? Static. Well, let's see what could be dynamic here. All right, maybe the star ratings, but we can go with that. Okay. Okay. We can make the description to be the star ratings, so I can put maybe 3. Okay, so let's submit this and we see how we approach it. So There's this one now. Okay, so let's go ahead and loop and display it and see how it will look like. So I'll go and get the the reviews. So I'm going to review posts. Okay, so the type is, so how do you call the type? It's called review, right? So I can go and put here review. Okay, so let's go ahead and loop through these reviews. All right, let me first display this review and see if it has come from the database. So let's see. So these are the reviews that have come from the database, right? That means that we can be able to do what? To display them in the HTML. All right, so let's go ahead and loop through them. All right, so we're going to loop them through here. I'm going to loop through them here, from here. So come and put here the title that I want to loop, the data that I want to loop through. So this is our review post. So I'll come here and put a what? Loop through this. So my copilot will do that for me. Codium. All right, so what I've done, I've just created a loop like this and closed it from here. You can pause the video and look at it properly. And then I've got a single item from here and I've put it here. All right, so let's see what we've got. And let's see what has come out. So I'll come and refresh here. So what is our reviews? Our reviews are here. So you see everything is fine. This is our first review. See, if I remove the rest of the reviews and you see what it looks like, the one that we have looped, then I'm going to explain it properly, don't worry. So if I come and refresh, see, that's our review. Okay, it's nice. Let me see what we have versus what we've got. What is the original? The original is this one here. There is the reviews. So we have the name of the person. The name of the person is there. The type, and everything is perfect. All right, so let me just explain. Let me first remove all this rubbish. Remove all this content. All right, so let me explain. So we have your code icon. This was already provided in the by the template, and then we come here and put the review post and put the details. So these details are going to be the content that someone actually said, and then we go ahead and put info, the icon, the text of info, and then we go ahead and do what? We go ahead and get the stars. Here are the stars, and then we go ahead and display the title and the review post. This as a category. The only thing that I'd like us to do is the stars, maybe putting some logic on the stars, like how many stars were provided. Okay, that one. Remember we had this, let me show you. We had this description, so you can do the logic, and see how many stars you should loop. So let me put here in our max stars and make it to be 5 by default. So I try to get the stars. So I check if is set all right, and is greater than 0. So I check if is set, and I check if the description is set, and I check if description is greater than 0, so I can go ahead and put the max stars to be there. Okay, so I can say maybe maximum stars equals to those ones. So I go ahead and now display them here. I go ahead and display them here. So that's how I loop through the stars, and the remaining ones I make them empty. All right, let me remove this one that was originally there. So if I come and refresh, there we go. So those are 5 stars. Yep, there's supposed to be 3. Maybe this empty one is not working. Let's see, there are 3. So this empty one, I'll see how I can get the star rating, the icon, and make it empty. Okay, icons, star rating empty. Let me see what we use. All right, maybe we can start from there in the next lecture. All right, so you can, let me just comment this one. I'll see how I fix it. But here the logic is the rest one I make them empty, and then the one that I want I make them like that. All right, so let's go ahead and refresh here. Everything is beautiful, right? So in the next lecture we'll start from there. Yep, we'll start from there and see how we finalize this home page and also finalize the remaining pages. All right, that's it for today, and see you in the next lecture. Goodbye.